Hey guys, this is Roger again. So I am going to work on challenge number 26 today, which is a service technician travel distance challenge using spatial features. And if time allows, I will move on to the Alteryx 2016 Grand Prix, again, a beginner task. So let's give that a try. I normally just download it and read the instructions inside the start file. Go ahead and click on the file to start it. And let's see what we have here. Go ahead and run the workflow. The use case, in order to audit their employees' expense reports, a service company would like to calculate how far miles their technicians traveling from their hotels to their work site, then to their destination hotel on a daily basis. The data that's given, the source is collected in a way that records contains the one contains a spatial object for the beginning hotel for day one. Record two is the spatial object for the work site for day one, and record three is a spatial object for the end hotel for day one. The pattern repeats for 3 consecutive days. Find the distance on a daily basis. The technician is either driving or straight line distance if you don't have the spatial data available. Okay, so since we ran it, we can look at the results. So you can see it's summed by days and the number of miles if we did driving distance, and sum by miles if it's a straight line using geospatial coordinates. And the data I have here, Hotel A1, so it looks like a quick pivot um, using a transpose function. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to put it to transpose. I want to group by date. And the other one should be the column. It's the spatial object. Some of the spatial object got lost. You always get the difference between the crosstab and the transpose. Let's say I want to group by the date, and the column header is the site and spatial object. I'll just use the first. How does that work? Neither of these seems to work right off the bat. So I am thinking about maybe giving a repeated number and then transpose it. Let's see, let me add a data preparation, give some sort of record ID. Actually, let's try to use this tile that we use. So I want unique values based on date. So now I have tile sequence 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? So technically, if I can group by date using the tile sequence number as the field, I can get the spatial objects in. So let's transform, given a column. So I use the ID, spatial object for the value, group by the date. Let's see how that works. So I just do first. So let's see how this turns out. So it looks like I'm able to get it into a row. So now we just do a distance measurement here. All I need to do is from point 1 to point 2, output the distance in miles, run, and then between 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, output the distance in miles, and create a formula that adds them together. Right? So sum of the distance. Distant miles plus bracket distance miles. See how that works. 4.1, these are driven miles. Straight line miles. And I can select the fields I need. All I need is a date and some distant miles. So I just need the sum of distance. How does this look? Six decimals. Let's see what data type that is. I give it a double. What do I have? I have a string, so I'll just make this a double. Does this look good? So that's good. So if we want to know the driving distance, let's try that. So just to know, oops, this one. Oh, I don't have the driving distance, so it doesn't matter. So I think this would be good enough for the answer, and I'll go ahead and submit that. So the next one is a Grand Prix Beginner Data Analysis, number 30. So let's go ahead and download the file. And open it up to take a look. Looks a little more challenging. I like it. I'll go ahead and run in the background. Now that you have your data prep, it's time for race 1 lab 2. You need to answer some questions so you will have content for your annual draft recap. The objective is to use Alteryx and answer the following question: who has the youngest team and what is the average age? Which team has the best average picture mark? What is a Pearson correlation between 2015 rank and hitter rank? Please build a table containing the count of players on each fantasy team by position, the sum of home runs for the hitters by fantasy team, and sum of wins for the pitchers for fantasy team ordered by 2015 team rank. Keep in mind the contestants only had about 10 minutes per lap maximum, so time yourself. Wow, okay. So youngest team, average age. Okay, so given this, so we have a team and we have an age in here. And age, youngest team, average age. So this looks pretty grouped by, yeah, so this is pretty straightforward. Let's do, what's the name for the, they're looking fantasy team. Not team, but fantasy team. And group by, shut up and run. And then sort, and then sample the youngest. So we sort average age, sample the first, maybe the 5.19. Okay, lowest pitcher ranking. Which team has the best average pitcher rank? So do another summarize. Again, we're looking for which team group by the team, and pitcher rank, numeric average. I think we can grab these two and just, let's do that like this, copy and paste, right? sort picture rank. $dog 41.5. Okay. What is the Pearson correlation between 2015 team rank, header rank, Pearson? Let's see. So I want to see the 2015 team rank and headers rank. So we have a 2015 team rank. And let's see, negative 0.01, negative 0.18053. Oh, not bad. So the last one, count the players on each fantasy team. Please build a table containing the count of players on each fantasy team by position. The sum of home run. Okay, so it looks like two tables that need to be joined together. So I think the first one is maybe a crosstab. Group by fantasy team. Header would be position. Just count. Without no. Let's see what I get. So here I'm able to get big bat flippers. 2211 no. 2211 no. So I think I can get this. And the second one I want another, if I summarize by the fantasy team home run and wins. Okay, so let's do summarize by the fantasy team, group by fantasy team, and I want the rank Maybe I'll just add up the home runs and wins. Let's just add the home runs sum and then wins sum. Doing that, 219, 101, 219, 101. So I want to look up to 2015 rank. So I'll just do a transpose to another cost tab where I just will bring in the team to rank. I'll group by the fantasy team and then 2015 rank. That's not it. Transpose. So I'll bring the transpose group so I only care about deselect all. I only care about the 2015 rank. Let's see how this works. So this looks good. So I should be able to join all three together. Maybe do a multiple join. Let's see if I can get it done in one shot. One, two, three. So I join them all together. And I want options, deselect all. I want team. I want all the positions. And I want the year. And I want the home run and the wins. Does this work? Let's see. To do no one count. So here we only have one, so I'm not sure why. So I'm joining on the bat flippers. Keeping one of them. This join brought everything in, whereas I only need one. Right? So what I'm going to do is do a preparation here, and I just sample one of each. See if I can strip away the necessary ones. First enroll one of each. Now I got it down to 1, 2, and let's see here. Is it looking better? Big league choco. Some sort of sort. Let's sort by the rank. Preparation. Sort by the rank. Madding sideburns. 91 to 93, 91. And let's go to Twin Peaks, Mount Kilimanjaro, 24473. Something, looks good. So it looks like I got the answer here. The rest is formatting. Since this is running a little long, I'll just go and submit this as the answer. Thank you for watching.